Hey guys, Billy here. Welcome to another Medieval Engineers. Okay, so I spent the night gathering a lot of materials and then I also looked over to see what we need in order to get other things achieved here. But I think the first thing we're going to do is start building a little warehouse. Now I could learn the different achievements and get to stone and build it out of stone, but I think this one here we're going to go ahead and use the wood. I got a lot of wood, um, and so I figured what the heck, we just go ahead and use it. Alright, so let's press G. Let's go ahead and this is going to be 4 by 5. It's going to be 4 by 6 because we're going to have like a little porch area with the stairs. So, but let's get this going first. I don't want this too tall. Okay, I think that's gonna have to be it. So, see the land, so that's why I wanted that first one down low. So that's 6. So let's get our next row. Okay. And I'm going to have the stairs here off to the right hand side. It's going to take a lot of material. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. One more. And actually, I'm going to just go right here. Because I'm going to have the stairs go up right there. Because everything's going to be out in this area. Okay, so that's that. Let's get stairs. Hopefully I can figure out how to do this correctly. Let's see here. A little wonky. See if I can go here. That's exactly what I want. You just have to get in the right spot. Alright, so that's perfect. So now we could go to our club, or yeah, and we can just start working on getting this thing built. We're going to have to get a lot more timber and... Okay, 100%. It doesn't work that fast, you know. That's alright. I have a feeling now that this is being built that we will start getting some NPCs, but hopefully it'll let me get to a certain place. They do not come in the building, from what I understand. They'll come around your building, they'll blow up your building, they'll beat on your building, but they do not come in. Because if one thing with this game, I haven't seen any doors. So, and then all our other buildings are going to be behind us. They're going to be out over here. So that's why I have the stairs right here. So now we need wood sticks. So we need logs. Or I mean, I'm going to use the logs, or you can just come and get some if you have a forest close by. Looks like you get 4 or 5 a piece. So how many do I have? Okay, so those few little trees, gave me, almost 3 stacks. So let's just grab these and then we'll head back. So you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna be using a lot of timber, a lot of sticks, especially in the wood. Then when you get to the stone, you're gonna be using a ton of stone. I have some stone, but I have stone so we can do our research. let's get going here. Could be a little quicker. We got 38 timber left, so, and it tells you right on the right what you need for each one. So you need 4 timber and 6 wood. So per block, it's going to take that many away. So. So this is going to take just a few seconds here. And we'll get some walls up. I'm only going to make it a single story as well. Because it is just a shop where I can get everything from out here in here. And it'll be a little safer. Even though my bed's in here and stuff like that. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much space you are granted, or if you could just build everywhere. I haven't checked into that. Oops, that one's done. So, we'll see. I guess they were slow in those days, I guess. Okay, so now we need both wood, we need timber, and sticks. So we'll come over to the timber pile. Okay, and the reason why I did that is if I shift click, I would fill all the spaces. Here, come on. Gotta get it to light up, so we're gonna go like this. We'll just go right in our inventory. I think that's enough for now. We will check. Let's see if I can hop on here. Yep. We got plenty of sticks, I think, to finish. I'm not a big fan of third person, but this actually gives you a better idea what it looks like. All right. See if I got enough to finish up. I think I do. Is this one completed? That one is completed. One more. Come on, finish up. There we go. Alright, so there is the building. Alright, let's go back into G. Get rid of the stairs. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to move the food over. I did make some more food. So now we want... Get a door. Get a window wall. And let's get regular walls for now, I think, right? That's railing, that's railing. Okay, so we're good to go. So let's go with the walls first. Alright, where's our door? So if you want to do a corner, all you need to do is stay there, press E, or press Q, and see, now I got that corner. So I'll come over to this corner and see where it's at. There we go. So I'm going to get my corners. I always have it solid. Alright. So now we need a door, which we're going to put right here. And then let's go to windows, which I'm going to put right here. And then I'm going to put a window here. I'll put 2 windows here. One window here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put, just like I said, this is going to be the warehouse, the shop, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's go back to the wall. And let's see here, rotate it around. There. That's good. Now we just need this side. Alright, so there's the basic structure. Now we can start building on the structure. So we'll come over here. Oh, you know what I forgot? Oh, I may have screwed up. Let's see if I screwed up. Go back to G. Need the floor. Hopefully it pops in. No, I think I got lucky. So we have the floor and the walls. Alright. Is that going the right way? Alright, let's get out here. Alright. Now we can start pounding on this. This is going to take quite a bit. Where'd the floor go? Okay. Oh, they're somewhere. They're probably in the ground. Okay. And the other thing is too, we're using wood tools. So once you get to iron tools, things will be much quicker. I should mention that. I don't know what I was talking. So anything that you got in stone or wood, once you we upgrade, I get a forge going, that things will be much quicker. It only takes 2 hits to knock down a tree. So like right now, this only takes 3 hits for the floor. So it'll probably only take 1 if we had iron tools, which that's what we're looking to do right now, so we can get a forge in here and start getting other things in here to okay, see, I didn't get this floor right here, so let's go back to 9. Okay, and luckily that doesn't take nothing away from you. Because you're just setting the parameters, and then you're filling it in with the wood. And if I'm not mistaken, the with the stone, the foundations, the sides, and the floor and everything are all one. Okay, we're gonna need more timber. Was that completed? Yeah. Okay, so we need more timber. We still have, but I mean, it's shaping up pretty good real quick. Okay, so we'll take all of that. Let's go into our inventory. Let's go ahead and get the 3 let's see here, is this one finished? That one's finished. That one's finished. So yeah, this will be a nice little place. There's going to be quite a bit of stuff going in here. You know, the research table's coming in here, the crafting table, the bed, and then boxes. Now there's bigger boxes, but we need the forge in order to build them. So as long as those don't get attacked, because if they get attacked and get broken, then we lose everything that's in it. So the beginning of the game is still a little slow, but you know, we're not. There's nothing. Only thing after you is an NPC, and you can set the parameters for the NPCs of how many you want at a time and stuff like that. Let's see if we got this door opening completed. We don't. Okay. Doing the roof is a little tricky. Okay, what do we need? Oh, I gotta make sure that thing lights up. Alright. And if you notice, I end up getting two big crates of, is that 100%? Of logs, so that I can just grab them and turn them into timber. Is that 100%? And or sticks as we need them. We're gonna need some here in a second. These are only 3 hits too, looks like. Yeah, they're only 3 hits as well, so not bad. And it's really not taking much material. 2 timber and 4 sticks. So I'll have to get more after this one. So I have 1, so I can get 1 hit here and that's it. 2 hits? Okay, I got 2 hits. Alright. So now I can just fill up with logs. So I can just fill up with logs, and then I just come in my inventory and just say I want 4 more of those, and then timbers. And then that actually works a little better. Okay. Be nice if once I come over that it picks it up that it's not ready and it would just go ahead and swing, but it doesn't. Alright, now we got that basics done. Let's go back into G. Let's get rid of these walls for now out of the inventory. I do want to put, I don't need sloped railing, I just want to put a railing around here. It's awful high. Not this one. I can't, there it is. And here. And here. So you have to see, you see the shadow, the white lines. White lines says you things are lined up, and then the shadow lets you know that that's the area, and then it works out well. All right, so let's. It's a little high, but that's all right. Come on. Alright, so now we got that, got our steps. So that's the basic look. Let's see what we can do about the roof. Alright, go back into G. And we'll have to, actually what I like about the roof system is, so we're going to grab this roof. Now if that's a rooftop, so if you have an opening, then you can get that put on. Afterwards, if you've got an uneven space, so you have wood and you have thatch. I'm not going to use thatch; it's a little weak, but I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Gee, okay. One thing about the roof is that you could click and see get different shapes. See, that's an inside corner, which is awesome. That's just a standard. and then that's a round, and then that's a corner. Well, trying to get this, I can't see it. It's in the spot that I want it in, but I can't see it. So I'm trying to figure out how you come down here, it's going to do it down here, but I want it right here. So what I have to do is get out of this. Let's click it around. Then what I do is I'll make a ramp. I don't do nothing else. I just use that as a ramp. And you can die. You fall from here, you may see me die. Okay, look, that took a quarter of my health. It's, unless if you guys know a better way. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's not what I want. I want. Oh, darn it. Come on. Okay, I had it. Unless there's a better way of doing this, let me know. I do not. Let's get in here. Up, up. Once I get one, it seems to work out okay. Okay. I need to back up. Okay. Not what I wanted. Try this again. 6. I want to rotate it. Okay. I mean, the hitbox is really small. Okay, now that's what I want. So now let's go to the other corner. And so you got to get just out of the way. See there. Now, so if they can make that to where it's a little bigger, you know, the hitbox is a little bigger, it's a little too tight. So now that hit perfect where we're at. Now that's perfect. And look at, I'm a ways, and I tried to do that earlier. It's okay. Now it's hitting. Now it's not hitting here because I already have one over there. So I got to get close and back off just a hair. There we go. So there's those parts. So don't get off the roof yet. Go back to what you need to do. Is that what I wanted? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Try not to fall off. Yeah. Like I said, I may be doing this wrong. If I am, let me know. It goes there perfectly. Come on. All right, let's get right in it. Okay, so it works there. That hitbox is really small. Okay, so come on. All right, stay there. Ahead. Come on. Frustrating a little bit, but I mean, it's definitely doable. You just gotta find. I may be doing it wrong. I mean, it is simple as that. Come on. You can't be in when that happens. Um, just a certain little hit area. Down here. I may be able to do this from the ground now that I have all four corners too. See, so that's here. So let's go to here. Let's try that. See, that's for down below. I'm confused. So this is one thing that they need to get fixed, because this is the only thing that I've noticed that has a slight issue is the roof line. Oops. So let me get this thing and then I'll be right back. It's probably gonna take me a little bit, but let me get it. I'll be right back. So as you can see, I got this section of roof. I'm having issues with this here. I may be doing something wrong. I figured this out a little bit. I mean, the hitbox is still too small. It should, once you get close, it should click into place. So I will send something in for that. But as you can see, I mean, it looked really nice. And then I was trying to get the other piece in order to finish on up. I may be doing something wrong, but that's okay. So let's continue on. Now what I want to do is I want to start bringing stuff in. So let's see, anything in here? Let's shift click all this stuff out. Pressed F and picked it right up, right? Yep. Press F. Pick it up. You have to make sure everything is out of it before it allows you to pick it up. Alright. I don't think you can pick up, let's see here. I think you can. Yeah, this has quite a bit of stuff in it. Alright, let's see here. I won't be able to get it all, I don't think. So let's take this, see if I can take some of this to the food. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Wait. Okay, do I have any open spaces? Open spaces, no spaces. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go put the, alright, let's go put the crafting table down and the research building, and then research table down, and then I could put stuff in that to get out of my inventory. Alright, so let's put this guy here, put that guy there, that guy there. Alright, let's go with 6. Now, see this? Okay, see how this shadow, okay, if you didn't do the shadow and you just put this in and then set it down, you'll be able to move this table. But if you get this shadow, you can get this thing pushed anywhere you want. You know, boom, and then now it'll stay. Okay? So let's go same with everything. Let's see, where do we want to respawn? You know what? Let's see, I'll put this in here, then I'm going to put the research to. Let's see, I was thinking putting the bed here, but put the bed here. Oh. It's not turned the right way. So we go 7. Let's, what did I do? Okay, which way is it? Which way is it turned? Okay, that's the headboard. Here we go. Claim it. Then 8. We're gonna stick right here. Okay. Bingo. See, now it doesn't move. Alright, so now I can put some materials in here if need be. I'm not gonna put everything in here. I will put more in here instead. Put that in there. Put that in there. Okay, now we can go pick up the... now, yeah, you shouldn't have a fireplace inside or campfire, but it's okay. These things you cannot pick up. Okay, wrong one. Okay, so we can pick that up. Now we should be able to pick that up. Bingo. And then let's put it right there. I'll get that figured out. I know I'm probably doing something wrong. The hitbox is a little small. But now I don't think... I mean, because I could actually put this right here if I wanted to. Or even... yeah, even right there. I could even come over here to this one. And then put it... you know, right there. But I think right there will be fine. They can destroy the foundations, but they will not step, from what I understand, they will not step up onto this. All right, so now we're at this point. We've got a few more minutes here. Let's do another research. We're gonna do the gourmet cooking, which I already made up. I already gathered the stuff, so I'm gonna put that there. We're gonna craft that. Inventory, right click, boom. Now, stoneworks. Need 20 stones. So I'm gonna take this 20 stones, 10 small stones, and a stone axe. Okay, so we need to come out here. $20 of these, which I went and gathered. Okay, rust little stones I think are right here. What did it say? 20 of those too. And then we need to make a stone axe, so we'll take some to make a stone axe. Let's see, can I make a stone axe here? Yes, I can. So in travels, we'll have everything for that one. And then as we progress, so that means, you know, we could actually do stone. What the heck? It's interesting. So put this one in there, put that in there, put that in there. What do we, did I mess up? Did I only need 10? Oh, I only need 10. As you can see, they've got this figured out. So now we can learn stone. So boom. Do we have an extra stone axe for? Did I have? Oh, it took the one I had instead of the one I picked. That's alright. Let's move that to there. Alright, so right click. Now we have that one learned. Okay, ironworks. This is where it gets a little, you know, so I have that. I need the dirt. We need a wooden mallet. I'll just go ahead and use what we have, and we need a torch. Let's see if I can make a torch. I can make a torch. So let's go pick up the dirt. And the iron. And I forgot how much it was. But we have it right here. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna only take one of those. And let's see if that'll work. See, we ended up getting a couple more here. How much do I need? I only need 10. I'll take all the dirt. 5 little stones. The mallet and the torch. Here we go. That's crafting. Right click. Okay, so that takes care of that. Now we got masonry. So 15 stones. That's why I did all this gathering, so that we can learn, because you need to gather this stuff in order to get to the next one, to the next one. So we're going to learn these, and then I'm going to call it. So 15 stones. Okay, so we only need 10 of these. Is this timber? How many timber? 5. We don't need the 15, and okay, so we'll put that in there and I'll make a new one. And just 15 stone. Big stone. So we're able to make the now, and I'll show you here in just 1 second what this allows us to do. Press F. Okay, 15 stones. We're into masonry. Everything will work. Okay, so let's make me a new stone axe. Put that there. Club there. And what am I missing? A mallet. I'm going to make iron ones, but right now we need it to build. Put that there and put our food right there. Okay. See, we're getting more and more stuff. Oh, so this is masonry. Shift click, right click. Now that's learned. All right, so now you're going to be looking at this and go, okay, what do I need for masonry? Well, I need iron ingots. Well, I don't have iron ingots. What am I going to do? So let's go to this one. Oh, I'm going to need rope. What am I going to need here? Oh, I'm going to need rope and iron ingots. Okay, now we're to a point that, what are we going to do? See, now I can do this one. This is wooden defenses. And I can do this one. See, because these two shifted. So we need 4 logs, flax, and wooden sticks. So there's the wooden sticks. We need logs and flax. See, these logs are gone. That's why I made 2 of them. And flax is one of these. Not that one, probably this. Come on. Eat flax right there. Once everything gets organized in here, it's much easier. And then flax, logs, bingo, bingo. Okay, that is learned. Now this comes into place. Timber and a wooden mallet for... So we could keep going and going and going. So well, I'm going to leave this right here. We'll work on more of this. Just to let you know, if you look into here now, this has changed quite a bit, as you see here. See, now when we come next time, we'll make the forge. We'll make the smithy. We'll probably make either a torch stand, or we'll go farther. I will be gathering resources. I won't do any smelting yet till you get back, because then I want to build the large chest in here. I don't want the small ones in here. Alright guys, I'm going to call it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, hey, just let me know. I'll keep going with this series. You know, there is a little issues here and there, but for the most part, once you get things established and get going, it's a lot of fun. Alright guys, you have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.